It flooded my garage, it flooded my front area. It didn't get all the way into my house.
People living in the Villas neighborhood of Fort Myers say storm drains have done a better job of handling big rainstorms over the past few years. Now the arrival of Hurricane Ian will be the true test to see if these clear drains will hold up.
NBC2's Alicia Alonso is on Flora Avenue and Chatham Street, the neighborhood next to 10 Mile Canal, talking to residents about how they're prepping.
Neighbors tell me they're afraid of water getting into their homes if this lake overflows. Now, upgrades have been made to their storm drains, and they're counting on them to work. People living in the Villas neighborhood in Fort Myers remember the last time they were underwater.
Very shaky, windy. I mean, it was the worst I've had.
It flooded my garage, it flooded my front area. It didn't get all the way into my house.
Dixie Lee says the root of their problem comes from a neighborhood lake. They say flooding only got worse when upgrades were made to their storm drains.
It's coming from the drainage that's right behind their house, so of course they're going to get it before I get it, but they headed out. They left, and I stayed with my house.
Now homeowners are working to protect their homes before Ian arrives tomorrow.
Listen to what people are telling you to do. If they're going to tell you that we're going to have flooding, we're going to have flooding. If they tell you that you need to get shutters up, get something up on there.
Many choosing to ride the storm out.
I'm here. The house goes, I go.
Neighbors have been helping each other prepare their homes and will continue to do so all night long. Reporting in Fort Myers, Alicia Alonso, NBC2.